Yesterday we found a sunken kayak. We pulled it to shore, emptied out the sand, duct taped up a big crack in the hull, then pulled it home. Today we're going to see if we can fix that crack in the hull. Okay, so we have this hull here that we got to fix. Did a little research and this is made of polyethylene plastic, so we're going to try to find some polyethylene and then we'll melt it onto there and hopefully we'll have a kayak that floats.
Found a duck! I found a duck!
Nice. Doesn't say what kind of plastic it is, it just says it's a mallard. We need this to be the same material, but whatever we use, I'm pretty sure it's got to weigh the same as a duck if it's going to float. Wait, what's that thing that you're supposed to throw your dirty laundry next to?
I just throw my dirty laundry on the floor.
Well, when you're an adult, you're supposed to throw it next to this thing. It's some sort of animal thing. It's like a laundry hamster. Let's see if we got one of those. HDPE, this is perfect.
What are you doing with my laundry basket?
Your laundry hamster?
It's a laundry basket. What are you doing with my laundry basket?
Well, we're gonna use it to fix the hole in the kayak.
No, you're not. Come on,
Why not?
You know, it's funny. You would never ever touch a laundry basket any other time, even when I ask you to help with the laundry, and now you think you're gonna take my laundry basket and go fix your kayak?
Well,
What?
I don't use it for anything.
You're not using my laundry basket.
Well, what are we supposed to use?
Figure it out.
Careful, she's gonna want the last word.
Nah,
There is no laundry hamster.
there's no... It's dead? Coronavirus?
No, it's a laundry hamper, not a laundry hamster.
Well, then who puts the laundry into the hamper thing?
I do.
Well, I thought it was like the Easter Bunny, you know, bringing around the baskets and eggs for the kids. I mean...
I do that too.
The laundry hamster is off limits, so we found this bucket. It's HDPE, and it was just literally down there on the beach, and that's what we're going to use to fix this. So you can see here we have embedded a metal mesh into the plastic after we kind of sealed up the first layer. And now we're just melting it down, making sure all the layers are melted together good. We're still using our bucket, and it's proceeding well. I wanted to use the plastic welding method because structurally it'll be just as strong and sound as new. And I also wanted an excuse to get rid of that laundry hamper. I hate that thing. Might not win a beauty contest, but I think she'll float. So that's the story of how we found a sunken kayak and repaired it with a 5-gallon bucket. Not exactly whale bones and seal skins as the natives once used, but the same concept of using what you find and making it work. It's something to keep in mind as many people are struggling right now. Make the best of what you have, make the most of what you find, and keep your eyes and your mind open for opportunity. And guys, let's keep the myth alive. Don't let your laundry hamster perish in this pandemic. Doing laundry is probably worse than the coronavirus.